How to do a layout on Instagram story. To use the layout feature, open the Instagram app and tap on the plus icon to create a new story. Now, swipe over to the Story tab and look for the layout option on the left side of the screen. Tap on it. You will see different grid options that allow you to add multiple photos in a single frame. Choose the one you want. Now, tap on each section to add a photo. You can either take a new picture using the camera or select one from your gallery. Repeat this process until all sections are filled. Once done, you can add text, stickers or drawings before posting it to your story. The second method gives you more control over the size and placement of images. Open Instagram and start a new story. Select any image as a background. If you want a solid color background, tap on the three dots at the top right, select Draw, choose a color, and long press on the screen to fill it with that color. Now, tap the arrow to return. To add photos, swipe up to open the Sticker menu. Look for the Add Media or Photo sticker. If you don't see it, scroll down until you find it. Tap on it and select an image from your gallery. The image will appear as a sticker. You can resize it and move it anywhere on the screen. Repeat this process to add more photos. Each photo can be resized, rotated, or positioned however you like. Once you are happy with your layout, you can add text, stickers, or GIFs. When you are ready, tap on the Your Story button to share it. That's how to do a layout on Instagram Story.